our motto Ix. Our motto determine Ix. How can determine? First of all, this impedance, inductance, first of all, whole circuit converted into phasor domain. Okay. If you consider I0, this is equal to 4 at the angle 0. Okay. Because of omega are same, and that is V0 is written as 110 at the angle 30 degree plus 30 degree, means take reference. Okay. And what about omega? That is 600 radian per second. Okay. It is given in bold, so that's why it is written corresponding to 600 radian per second. Clear? Now this is ohm, and this one is converted. 800 millihenry is converted into j omega L, so that is j omega is 600, and that is 800 into 10 to power 3 minus 3. Okay, so j is 4480 ohm. Now second one, this one is also converted 600 millihenry, it is also converted j omega m. It means j, that is 600 into 600 into milli, that's why 10 to power minus 3. So finally j 36 ohm, 360 ohm. Okay, now another way, 1200 millihenry, it is converted, that is omega L. It means that is j 1200, or simply you can L1 and this one corresponding to L2, that is 600 into 10 to power minus 3. It is corresponding to J720. Okay, ohm. Now next one, 12 microfarad. 12 microfarad means 1 upon j omega c, means 1 by, or simply minus j divided by omega is 600 into c is 12 into 10 to power minus 3, sorry minus 6, because of micro, that's why. So finally 1 divided by this one is minus 138.88 ohm. Okay, 10 to power minus 6 means 10 to power minus 4. Okay, so clear? Now another way, our next target is, first of all, this circuit is converted corresponding to this one, and impedance form, and also written in phasor form. Okay, another way, with the help of source transformation, if that is x and that is y, and that is I0, but if you convert it into, with the help of source transformation, this one is converted into voltage form, that is 200 into I0 corresponding to plus minus, that is 200 into I0 and volt, that is 200 ohm. Okay, and that is xy. Clear? Clear? So 200 into I0, what about I0? That is 4, that is 200 into 4, that is 800, means this one is converted into, if converted into voltage source, that is 800 volt, 800 at the angle 0 volt. Clear? And this one is 200, so make 200 simply. After that make all, represent all element. Okay, here now that is Ix, that is corresponding to 1200, that is J720. Okay, corresponding to here, that is J480 ohm. Okay, corresponding to here minus J138.88 ohm here. Okay, now corresponding to here, that is 150 ohm, and voltage corresponding to 110 at the angle 30 degree. Okay, dot polarity represent, that is corresponding to 6, that is J360 ohm. Okay, after that we have considered in this loop current is I1, and in here that is I2. Okay, first of all make it, after that this one is how to draw the dot polarity. Okay, so first of all make corresponding to this one and this one. Okay, this one, and after that make box like this one, and here corresponding to dot and make like this one. Okay, what about current? And another, for simplicity, this is dot and this is dot, and okay, now what about current? Here I1, here I2, so this is I2 minus I1, here I2 minus I1, direction of current like this one. If I2 minus I1 corresponding to means plus to minus, that is plus to minus means same, this dot corresponding to here plus minus. Okay, this effect on here, that is plus to minus. So what about dot polarity? That is plus, and here minus. Clear? Now another way, effect of this dot. What about current in this section? I1. So what about I1? Corresponding polarity plus minus, and here dot like here represent like this one. So plus to minus, it means corresponding to dot, this one is a positive and this one is a negative. Simplify. Okay, very simple representation. So what about polarity corresponding to, this is minus and that is plus. Simple. Clear? Corresponding to I2 minus I1, that is plus to minus, so dot plus minus here, and now here corresponding to here plus to minus, so dot, that is plus, and upper plate minus. Okay, now and other element, that is plus minus, that is 800 at the angle 0, and here 200 ohm, and that is J480. Okay, and that is I2 minus I1, here 360, J360 I2 minus I1. Okay, now if complete here, after that what about J720 ohm? Okay, and 360, J360 into I1. Okay, corresponding to, okay, now next one, plus minus 110 at the angle 30 degree, and that is J138.88 ohm, and here 150 ohm. Okay, now in this loop current I1, or in this loop current I2, that is I1, that is I2. Okay, what about Ix? This equal to, you can say that that is Ix plus I2 minus I1, this will be equal to 0. Ix plus I2 minus I1, this will be equal to 0. So you can say that Ix, basically Ix is I1 minus I2. Clear? Basically our motto, determine Ix. Clear? Now apply KVL. Again we check here. If any doubt, then that is dot corresponding to current flowing here. Okay, if I1 is flowing here plus to minus, then plus to minus, then what about this is dot, same plus, and here minus. My lower plate positive, upper plate negative, that's why. Okay, and what about mutual voltage, that is 360 J 360 ohm into I1. Okay, similarly if current corresponding plus to minus, then dot corresponding plus, so plus minus. So plus minus, what about mutual impedance, that is J 360 into what about current I2 minus I1. So represent like this one. Clear? Now our next target is with the help of KVL KCL. Apply KVL in this loop, plus to minus, plus to minus, plus to minus, and what about current, that is I1, sorry, or you can say that I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. If you represent here, then I2 minus I1, otherwise I1 minus I2. Okay, now that is plus 200 into I1 minus 800 at the angle 0 plus J 480 I1, okay, and plus J 360 I2 minus I1 plus J 720 I1 minus I2, are better to write corresponding to here I2 minus I1, that is plus minus. So that is I2 and here I1. Okay, that is negative. Okay, minus J 360 at the angle, sorry, J 360 I1, this will be equal to 0. Okay, and plus 800. So 800, this will be equal to 800, this will be equal to, now that is 200 360, sorry, 380. Okay, that is 380 minus 360, that is 120 or 120. Better to write first of all sign convention is clear, plus minus to plus clear. Now that is I1, first of all make it. Okay, now after that this one, this one, this one, and this one, that is 360. This one and this one are cancelled out. Okay, no, sorry, minus 360 360, that is this one and this one is cancelled out. Okay, this one plus this one, that is negative, and this one is 360 into 2, that is 720. Okay, plus, better to write, plus J 480 into I1. Okay, and that is I2 minus 360 into I2. This clear? That is equation number 1. Clear? That is I2 minus I1 360, I2 minus J 360, and corresponding to J, and minus of I2 minus I1. So clear. Now next one, our next target, apply KVL in this loop. Okay, you better to understand 8, this will equal to, if divided by 200, then that is 4.8 I1 minus J 3.6 I2. That is equation number 1. Better to write like this one. Okay, if divided by 100, then represent like this one. Okay, otherwise divided by, again if you again by 2, then that is 1 plus J 2.4 into I1 minus J 2.8 into I2. That is equation number 1. Very simplified representation. Okay. Now apply KVL in this loop. Plus to minus plus J 360 into I1 plus J 720 I2 minus I1 minus J 1138 188 plus 150 into I2. Okay, plus 110 at the angle 30 degree. This is equal to 0. Again plus minus of this one plus 150. Clear? Now our motto I1 and I2 110 at the angle 30 degree plus I1 this one and this one 360. Finally we got minus 360 J 360 into I1. Okay, and 720 minus 138.88, that is plus J 581.12 I2. This is equal to 0. Okay, now this one, that is, you can say that now 110 at the angle plus 30. This one, okay, this is equal to J 360 I1 plus, not plus, negative, minus of 150 plus J 581.12 I2. This clear? That is equation number 2. Okay, clear? That is 360 corresponding this one, and equation number, that is equation number 2, and this one is equation number 1. From 1 and 2, our motto determine I1 and I2 both. So better to write equation number 1 in the terms of I2 or I1. Okay, so if you determine in the terms of I1, I2 in the terms of I1 is written, then 1 plus J 2.4 into I1 minus 4 divided by 1.8. Okay, now in this value, putting here in equation number 1, if this value putting in equation number 1, then 110 at the angle plus 30, this is equal to J 360 at the angle I1 minus 150 plus J 581.12. Okay, into what about I2? I2 is 1 plus J 2.4 into I1. One two J is converted into polar form, then first of all that is 360 I1 minus this one is 600 at the angle 75.52. Okay, divided by J 1.8 into 1 plus 2.4 is converted into polar form, that is 2.8 at the angle 67.38 into I1 minus 4. Okay, clear? Now J136 into I1, if you write corresponding to, that is 360 at the angle 90 degree minus 600 into something 600 at the angle 75.52 into 2.8 at the angle 67.38. Okay, is converted into this one and divided by this one, whole division by 1.8 at the angle 90 degree. Finally we got that is 933.33 at the angle 52.9 I1 minus 4 into 600, that is divided by 1.8. We got 1.3. Finally we got 3.33 at the angle into I1 is equal to 110 at the angle plus 30 degree. So what about I1? I1 is 110 at the angle plus 30 plus 1333.33 at the angle 1448 divided by 360 at the angle 90 degree minus 933.3 at the angle 52.9. Okay. 39.619 at the angle 15.65. Okay, so finally we got what about I1, that is 1439.619 divided by 681.71, that is 2.117 at the angle 145.67 161.32, that is I1. Okay, now if this value putting in here, it means 1 plus 2j, that is we got that finally 2.8 at the angle 67.38 into I1. I1 is like this one, that is 2.11 at the angle 161.32 minus 4 whole divided by j 1.8. So finally 2.8 at the angle 67.38 into 2.11 at the angle 161.32. Okay, so finally we got this one into this one minus 4 at the angle 0, and we got 9 point something divided by into whole divided by 1.8 at the angle 90 degree. So finally we got that is 5.033 at the angle, that is 11.33. Okay, so finally Ix this is equal to I1 minus I2. I1 is, what about I1? I1 we got corresponding to I1 is 2.117 at the angle 161.32 minus 5.033 at the angle 119.33. Okay, so what about answer? That is 2.117 at the angle 161.32 minus 5.033 at the angle 119.33. So finally we got corresponding to an angle, that is 3.738 at the angle minus 82.93. Okay, clear? This is the current. Okay, so I1 minus I2 is 3.738 at the angle 82.93. So what about Ix? Ix is we have taken this one, so 3.738 into cos 600 t minus 82.93 ampere, make it in the terms of time domain.